Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your dual level cargo floor in the newly refreshed 2023 Kia Soul. I have in front of me here an EX in Lunar Orange. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to head into the hatch. That should unlock it. So to start us off, I'm going to head into the cargo area, open the hatch, and there's your cargo floor. So there's a nice little loop there. So if you were to just lift the cargo floor and pull it back, you can do it even in one smooth motion. I'm doing it one-handed, and you can slide it down into the track that's there. And now you've lowered your cargo floor. And you get some very helpful extra height in the back here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat backs down just to show you what it's like when the floor is lowered and the seat backs are down. And there we go. So there'll be a heck of a hump in between where the lower cargo floor is and where the seat bottoms are. So if I go ahead and lift this up now, again, one motion. And then there's not much of a hump in between the highest level and where the seat bottom is, the seat back bottom is there. And so it's your choice depending on what height you want to have it at. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.